Hi everyone, it's Gail here with a little bonus video. Oh my gosh, my friend Jen at Dreamzetc, she has once again outdone herself. She just does it over and over if you ask me. So she has created a new kit called Cozy Critters, and it is so adorable. So my wonderful little printer guy, he got all the parts and pieces named and everything. He was so thorough this time. So Cozy Critters on Dreamzetc, huge kit. I can't wait to show it to you. So this little section, this is the gnome papers. And on the back, I've put, let's see, some of them were just called, oh, let's see, that I didn't write down because I did it. But she has two, like, background papers. And so I've used, I use them on the other side. So I'll show you both sides. So look at these cute little gnomes. They are so adorable. So adorable. I love them. And here's the back side of the gnome paper. I just did one. There's, maybe it's called plaid. So anyway, there's plaid, and then there's background papers in the kit, but it all comes together. So look at this little guy with the antlers. How cute is he? Oh my gosh. And then this is one of the background papers with the lines, so can be journaled on. Here's another little dude with his stocking cap and look at his boots. Are those not the cutest? Oh my gosh. Just adorable. And then I put black and white plaid on the back of him. And this little time gnome, he's got himself a little watch there going on. And once again, I put this striped or lined paper. It's got a real light damask, so easy to write on. And then this little guy, and look at how cute is this. She made like a receipt or whatever with French and and gnome hats, mushroom houses, and dreams, etc. and company. I love it. I love it so much. So that's the back. It looks like sweater on that one. So I am going to do, that's not all. Let me just pull this. This is called Cozy Critter Ephemera, this part of the kit, or this file of the kit. I'm going to do a guest design team project for Jen, and so we'll be making a journal out of this cute paper. I cannot wait. Jen's ephemera is so beautiful. As you know, I've been using, you'll recognize this bag. This is Jen's Eclectic Christmas kit that she came out with last year. I just love it. Look at this deer. Oh my gosh. So all sorts of fun pieces of ephemera. I'm super excited to start cutting this out and using it. Probably, obviously on this kit, or on this project, but probably others too, because you just get so much in Jen's kits. Look at this gorgeous flower. I'm thinking about him for the cover. That's what I'm thinking about. I don't know. It's just, I love it. I love it so much. I keep thinking that the latest, whatever her latest kit is my favorite. So let's see if I can get this in camera. So this part is called large envelopes, which would be because there's a large envelope in the middle. But look how she's utilized the space and put little pieces of ephemera in too. So here's the big envelope, large envelope, and then all the words. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, look at this one, you guys. Let me turn this way. Look at this owl. Isn't he fabulous? Oh, so cute. Adorable. So yeah, the envelopes they are big. I mean, that's a good sized envelope, 4x6 maybe or something. Oh, I love this pattern that's on these envelopes. Oh my gosh, Jen, it is, I can't wait. So now I need to finish up the journal I'm working on so I can play with this one. But so you get, what do you get? A whole bunch, like 8. Let me see. There's like, I think there's like 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 8 big envelopes, and then the ephemera to go with. Okay, and then this one's called Large Journal Cards, but it includes some pockets as well. Look at these pockets. Aren't they great? Oh, they're just great. So here's her critters. Look at this bunny with the antlers. I about went nuts when I saw that. So cute. Look at the slides. And then there's the gnomes. And look at this little polar bear. Oh my goodness. They're so awesome. This one's pockets again. So that's the large journal card part. And then, oh my gosh, and then there's more pages here. These pages have the critters on them instead of the gnomes. Look at this fox. Isn't that just awesome? Jen has so many layers to her papers. I just love them. Oh, and look at the back of this one. Isn't that pretty? Love that. We have a little raccoon, little Mr. Raccoon, and he's got that background. I think I did all but like a couple of the plaid ones. There's like 6, I think, of each of the backgrounds. Look at that. That one has the lines again. Then this little dude, is that a badger? I'm not sure what that little animal is, but he sure is cute. Love that. Put that on there. And there's the bunny. You know I went crazy when I saw that bunny. I was like, no way. Look at the bunny's eyes. So cute. So cute. Oh, and there's the back. Look at the back. Isn't that beautiful? Love that. And then this is the last bit. It's small envelopes and journal cards. Oops. Got a little scrappy in there. Okay. So love these little strips, especially when in your journal, if you fold it over a page a little bit, they're perfect for that. And then look at all these little journal cards. Oh, so cute. Little envelope with that owl on it. Just awesome. Okay, guys, that is the kit. That is the Cozy Critters kit from Dreamzetc. And if I'm not mistaken, she also has one little freebie to this kit, and I haven't grabbed that yet, so I need to do that. That's on her website. Her website will be in the description box. And thank you so much, Jen, for allowing me to create a journal with your new Digi. I love it. It is absolutely awesome. So head on over to Dreamzetc. Get yet another Christmas Digi, because you know you can't have too many. I am having so much fun with Christmas. I don't know if I'm ever going to stop. So thanks everyone so much for watching. Thanks so much to Jen for sharing her amazing talent with all of us. And have a grateful day. We'll just see you in the next video. Bye everybody.